My name is Rigo. I'm the general manager for Scottish Home Improvements. They were interested in painting the siding, but noticed when they had to repair a few pieces here and there, that there was more damage than just painting. So they called us in, had us meet them, and reviewed everything from the siding to the gutters. The gutters that they originally had were downsized, so they would get clogged very easy. And as you can see in this neighborhood, there's a lot of pine trees that would create a problem for them. So we upgraded their gutters to commercial grade gutters that are 6-inch wide with 3x4 downspouts to help with those clogging situations, to let that water run more easily for them, and therefore create less water issues for them. The siding, it was 34 homeowners that had to come together and work together to come up with a type of siding that they liked and the color as well. They ended up choosing James Hardie's fiber cement siding. They went with the lap siding in cobblestone and then their trims in timber bark to kind of give it that nice contrast that the community has. But at the same time, it all feels like one community versus having multiple different colors throughout the whole neighborhood here. When we got the project started, we did notice that there was a lot of damage underneath the siding. So we had to replace some of the OSB. Once we did that, we put a weather barrier over that so that if water did penetrate behind the siding, it had another layer of protection. So that's what we did. Upgraded the flashing around the edges of the perimeter of each building as well. And all these, since they're all owned individually by separate homeowners, they have the freedom to do something different along the back of their house. So they all have different porches. Some of them you'll notice that may not have a porch, some of them do. Some of them are sunrooms. So we had to kind of work with them individually to kind of customize that project for them as well. Scottish Home Improvements, our ultimate goal is to provide peace of mind, comfort for homeowners. Most people that are investing in such large projects like this want to do this once and that's it. So we're here to make sure that we can provide that peace of mind by making sure that everything is done properly for the homeowner. By the time we leave, it's low maintenance for them for the long run.